Hey y'all, it's your girl Kay. Hey, I look cute or whatever, and if you want to get this look, keep watching. Okay, so here we're gonna start up already with a done up face. Already done my foundation, concealer, bronzer, setted the face with powder and everything. Now we're just gonna move on to the eyes. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so I'm using the Alyssa Edwards palette by Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and I took that white shade headliner and I packed it all over my eyes, so that's what we're gonna do. Then I'm taking this blue shade called Dream It, and I'm going to line my lids. And so as you can see, it's not perfect, but it's okay because we're gonna fix that later. Next, I'm gonna take this Colourpop lippie pencil in the shade Bossy, and I'm going to line on top of the blue shade. After I use this lippie pencil to create that red line, I'm gonna take Lucky Lashes Cosmetics Lost in Love palette. It's a very pigmented palette. If you don't have it, you're missing out. And I'm gonna use Dozen Roses to go over that red line that I made and the Be Mine to add a little glitter. And then I'm gonna take this liquid liner. It's very shimmery, glittery, as you can see. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put just a few dabs in the inner corners of my eyes. Then you're gonna wanna curl your lashes and take any mascara that is your favorite at the moment and go to town on your lashes. And then you can skip this part if you want to, like I did, but you can put any false eyelashes on. I just chose not to because I wanted to give my lashes a break. And here's just my awkward self vibing out to whatever I was listening to. I'm gonna take my favorite chapstick at the moment, put some on. Then I'm gonna take that same lippie pencil in the shade Bossy, and I'm gonna go ahead and line my crooked ass lips. Next, I'm going to take this matte liquid lip from Mellow Cosmetics in the shade Capri, and I'm just going to go over the lines of my lips and the rest of my lips. This happens to y'all, but I hate it when I'm putting on any kind of liquid lip and I have to give it a couple coats, but every time that I am trying to evenly swipe it across my lips, it like undo the work that I had already done before. It's so infuriating. I just can't. And so here I am, just finishing up my last coat, and as you can see, nothing on my teeth. Cute. Anyways, this is the final look. It looks so good, especially in this lighting and unfiltered. Looks so bomb. And yeah, that's the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Follow all my socials if you want to see more. Again, thank you for watching. Bye.